everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to run inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today I'm going to be discussing something about the future. I mean, who doesn't like the future? I mean, you know, flying cars, flying everything, robots everywhere. Well, today I'm going to show you a benefactor of the future because we're all going to be flying around in hoverboards soon. And I will show you how to make these, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock! Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So I'm going to show you 2 different kinds of hoverboards, starting off with the simplest one. So we're going to be using an inverted round tile, and on top of that we're going to be using these side attachment plate pieces, and we're going to attach 2 at the moment over here like so. Now on those 2 we're going to be attaching these little round red tiles. Now I think I used this technique already in my robots at some point, that to keep these side attachment plates from shifting about too much all the time. So now they've got a bit of separation, and we're gonna bring in these little red knob things. I don't know what you call them, but these are going to be the kind of lights at the front of our hoverboard, and behind we're going to be attaching these cone pieces to provide us boosters. Now on top we're going to be doing attaching these yellow jump plates like so. So that's the base of it, and we're going to be using a skateboard. We're going to be using a skateboard but without the wheels, because I find that it has a very unique shape. And there we go, we have one hoverboard to fly around. So let's make the other one. So we're going to be doing nearly exactly the same design, so an inverted round tile. I'm going to be using slightly less colorful side attachment plates. This time I'm going to be using yellow tiles for the front over here. I'm going to stick the rest of these things on. I'm going to attach some white ones on the front here. Things are falling apart for me today. So there we go, there's one thing. And before I continue on, I'm just going to attach these jumper plates on top, and this purple skateboard this time. So there's one thing, but I want to show you another really cool design. I'm going to attach some orange studs at the back here, and these kind of, you might not see this well, but this is kind of pin, micro pin attachment. And in these micro pin attachments, well, already it looks like syringe kind of style. We're going to be attaching these flame pieces. We want to show off our power, so let's burn out some fuel. Just stick them into the micro pin attachments, make sure everything is solid, bring the other one back, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our 2 hoverboards are complete. You can change the design any way you like. As you can tell, this is kind of like a jet thruster thing. This is kind of more like the show off your flames version, but they all work really nicely with minifigures like Johnny over here, because these are skateboards, remember, as well, just flying ones, so they work ideally with minifigures. And then you just pick them up and fly them around. You can make lots of objects for them to jump over. You can create, and you can add them to your futuristic city as well, in case you are, for instance, doing a futuristic city. But that's the end of our video. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that's inspired you, and until next time, happy building!